Alright, so on this Suzuki SX4, if we want to check on the air filter, we've got a clip here, and probably on your car there would be a clip right here, but mine is missing. You just pop this back, and then down at the bottom on the passenger side here, it pops up, so we can get access. This filter, if I pull it forward here, out towards the passenger side, can check on the condition of the filter here. This one seems fine. I can see the sun through it. Maybe I'll replace that in another 10,000 miles or so. But you never know. So, I had to play around with this a little bit, but if you drop it all the way down here so that it's going to pop into the top part, and slide it into place, into its hole inside of the engine cover here, you should be able to get it to pop forward. And once the air filter's in place, I then bring the plenum here, drop the, looks like I got caught on something here. Drop the passenger side down into its slot, and then the whole thing should come forward and feel snug. So pop those clips back on. Good to go.